How to forward a message from Messenger to WhatsApp. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can forward a message from Facebook Messenger to your WhatsApp app. But before we begin, make sure to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Messenger app and select a message that you want to forward. So let's say if I want to forward this message right here, what I will do is long press on it, and here if you see a forward button and tap on it, as you can see you are only able to forward this to certain people on your messenger. And if you want to forward it to WhatsApp or any other platforms, that option is simply not available. In that case, what you're going to do is long press on it, and you're just going to copy your text message. Go ahead and open up your WhatsApp, select the chat that you want to send it to, and then go ahead and just send the chat like this. So this is the only way as of now to forward a message from Messenger to WhatsApp. But if Meta brings out a new feature on the future, we'll be the first one to let you know. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to get the latest updates. I'll see you guys on the next one.